Hello guys, welcome back to develops.ai. So in this video we are going to solve Google AppSheet. Getting started. So if you're new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe for more updates on develops.ai guys. So let's start the lab. So just copy your username here and open your AppSheet in Igniter mode. Click on Google. So paste your email address here and click on next. So come back and just copy your password here and just paste it here and click on next. So click on I understand. So click on continue. So click on allow. So your new app sheet will be displayed in Igniter mode guys. Remove this and just come to a lab and just click on task number 1. So at the task number 1, click here this spreadsheet link and open it in Igniter mode. So guys, now the task 1 is just go to file and make a copy. So remove that context, copy of context and just rename it as personal context. Copy this personal context in your lab. Copy this and just paste it here and click on make a copy. So your product of contacts, personal contacts has been created. So remove older one. So click on got it. So do one thing guys, come back to our lab. So I'll be providing link in the description. So get access of the Excel file link. So just come to personal contacts and just click on file here, click on download here, click on Microsoft Excel to download. So your product contact, your personal contacts of Excel file has been downloaded guys. So come back to your Igniter mode. So click on this file and click on import. So click on upload, click on browse. So click on this personal contacts, click on open. So now under import location, make sure that replace spreadsheet option must be selected. Click on this and click on import data. So we have been imported and adjusted the data of Excel file. So come back to our my apps and click on create here, click on app and click on get start with existing data. So remove this new app and just come back to task number 2 in your lab and just copy the customer contacts name here and come back here and paste it here, and category wise you want to choose as customer engagement. So click on and choose your data, click on Google Sheets. So under Google Sheets, make sure that personal contact Excel file must be selected. Click on this and click on select. So guys, finally we have been completed the every procedure of this lab. So let me check our progress at the task number 1. So let me move for task number 1 and click on check my progress. So our task number 1 has been successfully completed. Let me move for task number 2. So task number 2 also successfully completed. Let me move on directly towards task number 5. So click on check my progress here. So task number 5 also successfully completed guys. So let's end this lab. Before ending this lab, please make sure that like, share and subscribe for more updates on devlabs.ai so that I can make such more content videos based on Google Cloud guys, and as well as AI and tech related platforms guys. So if you're not subscribed, I will get demotivated. So make sure that please like, share and subscribe for more updates on devlabs.ai guys. Let me meet on next video guys. Thank you.